Hi, this is Francisco with Flooring Liquidators, and this is how you install the base blind corner cabinet.
So what we have here is a base blind corner cabinet. This is a BBC 36, which is 36-inch overall, but the space that you have from the wall to the drawer is 24 inches. If you leave it the way against the wall, you will not be able to open this drawer. You need to pull 3 inches away from the blind side wall to allow space for the drawer to open. Once you have the 3 inches on the back, give you enough space for this drawer to open. You also need to allow 3 inches of space here for this one to open, and this one won't hit. You will then put a filler piece to fill in this blank, and that's your corner cabinet.